This is not magic. This is a science experiment. Combine the paper clips in the water. The paper clip floats up. Slap the water with force. The paper clip will immediately sink to the bottom of the water. Dip your finger in the water. Rotate and rub it on top of two adjacent water cups. The cups made a strange sound. This is frictional vibration. The egg will sink in the water. Add a little salt to the water. The egg will float on the surface of the water. Keep adding water to it. The egg will be suspended in the water. Wet the edge of the plate with water. Place a rotating eggshell on top. Turn the plate slowly. The eggshell will keep rotating around the edge of the plate. Pour water into the goblet over and over again. The color at the back of the glass is reversed. This is the imaging principle of the convex lens. Put a battery under the ruler. Put two glasses of the same weight at the ends of the ruler. Put your finger into one of the glasses. The weight of the glass of water increases. Pour hot water into the glass bottle. Pour the hot water out again. Fix a straw at the mouth of the bottle. Insert it into the cold water. The water is then sucked into the bottle. Fill the glass bottle with water. Insert your finger into the bottle. Then pull out your finger. The bottom of the bottle is instantly pierced. This is the water droop effect.